In this video, we will see how to fix a connection to the Steam VAC server could not be made error on Windows PC. If you are also facing such type of error code on your Windows PC while operating a Steam app, then the first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major issues. So you must restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is again right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system. Thereafter go to right side and look for option troubleshoot. Click on it, choose other troubleshooters, and here run network and internet troubleshooter. There may be a possibility of network issues, so you must run network and internet troubleshoot and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. The next method is open device manager. Right click on a start button, choose device manager, and here go to network adapter driver section, expand it, right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Windows will install driver of your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on a start button and choose run. You may press R shortcut key to launch run dialog box. Here type services.msc to open services windows. Services windows will now open. Here look for a Steam client service. Scroll down and look for a Steam client service. Simply right click on it, and if you found it in a stop mode, then start it, otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply the changes. After that, check whether your Steam error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one, Steam app in your system. Here go to library from the top menu bar, and here go to your problematic app game, right click on it and choose properties. Here from the left side click on installed files. Thereafter go to right side and you will find the option verify this game's files are installed correctly, verify integrity of game files. Click on it. All 248 files successfully validated. A message will receive, and check whether your Steam error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel in your system, and here go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here from the left side turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall, both the network under private network as well as public network. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall and click on OK to save the changes. After your problem is resolved, you must turn on Windows Defender Firewall for security of your PC. Your Steam error definitely